Hello students, today we will discuss the part 12 of genetics, class 12. So last class I have discussed about the sex determination in organisms, and I have already discussed about the male heterogamity, but today we will discuss the second one, that is female heterogamity. Female heterogamity. This is so. What do you mean by female heterogamity? So in female, they will produce, hetero means different types of gametes. Different types of gametes. But in previous class we have discussed about the female was homogamity and the male was heterogamity, and here female is heterogamity and male is homogamity. So this is seen in case of birds. What happened? This is called ZW and ZZ type. So here what happened? The ZW, that is two sets of autosome plus ZW. So ZW is here the female and produces the two types of gametes, that is A plus Z and A plus W. So two different types of gametes. So here it is very important that the sex of the offspring is mainly dependent on the female, means the mother, and here the male is AA, two sets of autosomes plus, that is ZZ. So this will produce two equal type, or we can tell there is no difference, A plus Z and A plus Z. This is homogamity of the male one. So now we will discuss how the inheritance pattern is there. So a male one, when crosses a female, so we can write here AA plus ZZ and female AA plus ZW. So this will give, so this is the P1, this is the gametes A plus Z, here A plus Z, both the gametes are same, and this is A plus Z and A plus W. Here both the gametes are different. So I am again giving emphasis here, this male is the producing homogametes and female is producing the heterogametes. So fertilization is there random, so this may fuse with this one, or this sperm will fuse with this ovum, and this may fuse with this may fuse with this, and this may fuse with this. So this is AA plus ZZ and this is AA plus ZW and this is AA plus ZZ, and this one is AA plus ZW. So these are, this is the male one, this is the female one, this is the male one, and this is the female one. So in this way the inheritance pattern in birds is found, and this is called ZZ and ZW type, or sometimes we can tell also ZW types. Then we will discuss the ZZ and ZO type. This is also in female heterogamity, and here we will find this is ZO and ZZ type. So ZO and ZZ type. So this is mainly occur in butterflies. Here the female is having double sets of autosomes plus ZO. So this will produce two different types of gametes, that is A plus Z and A plus O, means no other chromosomes. So sex chromosomes. So usually what happens here, this is the female is heterogametic and male one is, that is two sets of autosomes plus ZZ, and this is homogametic. So this will produce, that is two same type of gametes, A plus Z. So this is homogametic and this is heterogametic. We are giving emphasis here, the female heterogameity is there. So we will take a cross here. So when we cross a male one with the female, that is the P1. So here it is double sets of autosomes plus, that is ZZ, and this is double sets of autosome plus ZO. So this will produce, when gametogenesis occurs, this will produce two same type of gametes, A plus Z, and this will produce A plus Z, A plus O. So this female one is heterogametic and male one is homogametic. Then by fertilization or fusion of the gametes, so this may fuse with this may fuse with this may fuse with this may fuse with this. So this will produce AA plus, this is ZZ, this is AA plus ZO, this is AA, or two sets of autosomes plus ZZ, this is two sets of autosome plus ZO. So in this way there is fusion and formation of the offspring. So this one ZZ is, this is the male one and this is the female one. This is the male one and this is the female one. So in this way, these butterflies, in butterflies, this is Z, O and ZZ type, and the important thing is that this female is heterogametic and male is homogametic, and in this way the offsprings are found and the sex determination occur. So this is the female heterogamety process by which the sex is determined, particularly in the birds and the butterflies. In the next class, we will discuss the sex determination in honeybee as well as other type of process, non-allosomic genetic sex determination, genic balance theory and environmental mechanism.